Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make origami jet. No, this does not fly, and it's actually pretty sturdy and thick. So what you'll need is an 8.5 by 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, ordinary printer paper. What you'll need to do, either you can just fold it in half and like make an extra good crease, or you can do fold it in half, make an extra good crease, and then cut it or rip it, like take half of the page. So once you have your page, what you want to do is fold the corner down here, like that. And then make sure it touches the edge, so like that, and then make a good crease. So make sure the lines touch, and then make a good crease. So when you have that, unfold it, fold the other corner, this corner, down, and then do the same thing on the opposite side. Make sure you have another good crease. Just crease it like that. Unfold it. And pop the sides in, like that. And then fold it down, like that. Just like that. And just fold it down like that. And then do the same on the other side. So fold this corner down till it touches. Make a good crease. Unfold. Do the same on the other side. Pop in the sides. So then it should look like this. So what you want to do when you have that is fold either side. Could be this side or this side. Just fold it like that. You're gonna have to do the other side anyway, so just choose one to start. So then take this and fold it until it touches the center line, like that. And make sure you have a good crease, because this will be the middle of your jet sides. So just make sure it's all neat. So then it should look like this. And then fold what you flipped up from the one side that you chose back down, and fold up the other side that you didn't pick forever long. And then do the same thing. Yeah, you can do it like that, and then it'll be the exact same, but just like this. And then fold it up, good crease, and then once you have that, fold that back, and now it should look like that. Once you have that, you want to take either end and then fold it down like you were going to make a paper airplane, like the corners, the top ones. Make sure you leave the bottom ones, and then make sure they touch each other in the center, like this, like that. And once you have that, take this end that's still fat, and then fold it down, and then make sure these tuck into the pockets you created that you popped out, like that. And do the same on the other side, just like that. So then once they're in, it should look like this. And then just push it down until it can't go any further, like that. And these are the finishing touches right here, what you're gonna do. So what you wanna do first, the first touch, flip it over so you're on the flat side, and fold up these two bottom corners like a paper airplane again, except don't let them touch. Make sure you fold them down so they're just parallel with that line. So like this, they're just parallel. And then do the same on the other side, so they're just barely not touching there, just barely there. So like that. And then once you have that, flip it over again. And then this piece, this like house, looks like a house sort of, just do the same. Fold down these so then these you can do as far as you want, but don't make them too big because they're gonna stick up. So yeah, but for the bottom, just make it stick up a bit, just like that. And then for the top, just do the same. Fold the pieces up like that. Don't have to be too far, just make sure they're both folded the same length though up, so then it'll look equal, like that. And once they're folded in, you can pop them out and fold them back down, but make sure they're still sticking up a bit, like that. And make sure they're both like halfway between touching and up, like that, like the flaps. And then once you have that, this thing's optional, but it just makes the a whole lot cooler. Take the back and just fold it up. You don't have to have a good crease, but make sure it's not touching. Make sure it's like that. Now you have your origami jet, and like I said before, it doesn't fly. And also coming up, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a double one, so like it'll be two connected. And that one looks really cool. Well, yeah, you get the point, but it looks really cool. So there you have it, origami jet made out of paper. Subscribe.